Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
Before we begin, I want you to clear one thing from your mind. This episode is not about fear, it's about clarity. Now let me ask you something honestly. When you hear AI can automate DevOps, what do you feel first? Excitement or anxiety? Pause for a second and be honest. If this question has crossed your mind recently, comment, "Thought about it." Now let's talk calmly. Yes, AI is getting powerful. Yes, automation is increasing. But here's the part that is rarely explained properly. Automation replaces repetition, not responsibility. And DevOps is slowly moving away from repetition towards ownership. Earlier, DevOps meant writing scripts, setting up pipelines, deploying applications. In 2026, platforms will automate most of this. But when something fails, AI does not take responsibility. Humans do. And that is the key difference. Now think about this. When production goes down at 2 a.m., who decides? Not the tool, not the script, the engineer. AI can suggest, but judgment cannot be automated. If this line makes sense to you, comment "True." Let's go deeper. AI is excellent at patterns, but DevOps systems are full of exceptions, legacy systems, partial failures, human mistakes, business pressure. AI doesn't understand context, you do. That's why in 2026, DevOps roles will not disappear, they will shift. From doer to decision maker, from executor to owner. And this shift is uncomfortable because it requires thinking, not just tooling. Now let's talk about the real risk. The real risk is not AI. The real risk is being a DevOps engineer who only knows tools. Tool-based DevOps will be automated. Thinking-based DevOps will be promoted. That's the filter. If you're a beginner, this is good news. You can start learning DevOps the right way. If you're working already, this is your signal. Upgrade from execution to architecture thinking. If you're switching careers, don't panic. Learn fundamentals deeply. Linux, cloud behavior, failure handling. AI will assist you, not replace you. In 2026, the most valuable engineers will not ask, "What tools should I use?" They will ask, "What is the right decision here?" If this episode reduced your fear, comment "Clear now." And tell me, are you excited or worried about AI? This conversation continues.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates, stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.lanetguide.net.